I'm John Barker, AKA your grandma's favorite pitmaster, AKA the $1 Million Barbecue Man, and today we're gonna make the best chicken wings that you've ever had. Guys, getting super crispy chicken wings on your smoker is easy and you need very little for it. We're gonna use some OG barbecue rub from Skull and Mortar. You can get that at skullandmortar.com. We're gonna use a little bit of Smoke and Simmons brisket rub. You can use any AP rub that you have on hand, some cooking spray, and some of that Skull and Mortar OG barbecue sauce. Let me show you how easy this is, guys. First off, you take your spray can. We'll put a little fat on those wings. That's gonna help your rub adhere. Okay, we're gonna go over it with some of that brisket rub. We want a light coating here. Don't get too out of control. Something light just like that. Then we're gonna go back over it with the Skull and Mortar barbecue rub. Now this is gonna help with the color. This is gonna help with all those peppery notes, that richness of flavor. And this is where you wanna get it a little bit heavier. Now these flavors together are really gonna work out. They're gonna be perfect. They're gonna hit every flavor profile, really. Toss your wings over to the other side. Guys, then we literally are just doing the same thing to the other side. Spray. The spray is going to help with the crispiness. It's going to help with that rub adhering. Boom. Good little dusting of that. Make sure you get it all over your table. It would not be a Skull and Mortar tutorial if we were not getting rub every damn where and then having to spend 6 hours cleaning it up afterwards. Guys, that's it, man. That's all the pre-prep this takes. We're gonna take these directly to our auto ignite and throw them on. You can do this on any grill or smoker. We're using the Masterbuilt Auto Ignite. All right, we've got our auto ignite set to 300 degrees. As you can tell, we've been cooking a lot on this bad boy. Love this grill. We're gonna start stacking these away from the firebox. That's gonna make it a little bit cooler. The closer we get to the firebox, the hotter it's gonna get. Again, we wanna keep our grill and our meat at about 300 degrees. We're cooking on that high temperature because it's gonna help render that fat. It's gonna help get the outside crispy. If you cook it any lower than 300, you're gonna run into that soggy skin, and that's the one thing we do not want. All right, guys, that's it. We're gonna throw it on here. We're gonna check it every hour or so until we reach our internal temperature, and that's it, man. Guys, our wings are done. Our skin is exactly how we want them. They are hot. We're gonna take some of that OG barbecue sauce from Skull and Mortar, and we're just gonna drop that right there in the bowl on top of our wings. Then we're just gonna toss the wings around. Add a little bit more sauce here. See that steam coming off of them? These bad boys are fresh off the smoker. I like to get the sauce on them directly when they come out of the smoker because I feel like the sauce kind of caramelizes on there. Look at that. Look at that falling apart. Let's try that guy right there. That looks delicious. Let's have a bite. Right off the bone. It's juicy, it's moist, it's sweet, it's spicy. It's perfect. Guys, it's literally that easy to make a delicious crispy smoked chicken wing on any smoker. We used the Auto Ignite from Masterbuilt. We ran our chicken wings at 300 degrees for 2 hours, we bumped it up to 350 and let it run another 30 minutes. It literally was that simple. We used a salt and pepper rub, we used a barbecue rub, we used some spray oil, we tossed it all on, and then finally at the end, when we were all done, we tossed in some barbecue sauce and we got perfect barbecue wings. I'm gonna go ahead and have another. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Skullandmortar.com for all your culinary needs. I think it's good. It's real good. I'd kiss myself on the lips if I could. That's how good it is.